The Customtkinter library comes with a set of basic widgets that can be used to create graphical user interfaces, but there are some more widgets available for Customtkinter, for example the Color Picker widget. If you need the ability to select a color in your GUI, you can use the Color Picker widget. It allows you to choose the color by clicking on the color wheel. In this example, the Color Picker is used to change the colors of the entire GUI. The slider allows you to make the colors darker. Let's have a look on how you can get this widget. First, you need to install the library. Use the command pip install CTk Color PIcker. In addition, the libraries Customtkinter and Pillow are required. You can also install them with the appropriate pip install commands. Let's take a look at the code. First, import Customtkinter and the CTk Color PIcker library. Initialize a CTk class object to create a main window and optionally set a size and title. Then start the main loop, which activates the window for interactions. This will give you an empty window. Create a CTk Color Picker class object and provide the main window as parameter. Then use the grid method to place the color picker in the window. You get a widget with a color wheel where you can choose the color you want and adjust the brightness using the slider. There are many parameters you can use to customize the widget. For example, you can change the size by using the width parameter. The widget color can be changed with the foreground color parameter. Here I have selected a purple color. It is also possible to change the background color of the slider. Use the background color parameter for this. If you want to change the border width of the slider, use the slider border parameter. The button color parameter allows you to change the button color of the slider. The hover color of the button can be changed as well. Just use the button hover color parameter for this. The corner radius can also be adjusted. A value of 1 results in a rectangular-shaped widget, but in my opinion it doesn't look good. Therefore I change it back to a round shape. Another useful option is the command parameter. It allows you to link the widget to a function that will be executed every time a color was chosen. Let's make a little example here. I use a lambda function which takes the chosen color and changes the foreground color of a label widget. So I also need to create a label widget, which can be easily done by using the CTk label class. As you can see, when I select a color on the color wheel, the lambda function is triggered immediately and changes the label color to the color I chose. If you prefer a horizontal-oriented widget, you can change the orientation by setting the orientation parameter to horizontal. As a result, the hex code and the slider of the widget are horizontally aligned. If you don't want to have the color picker as widget in your GUI, you can use a top-level window that appears, for example, when you press a button. The top-level window contains the color picker widget. Here you can choose a color and then press on OK. You can link this widget to a function that uses the chosen color and does something with it. Here in this example, the color of the button is changed to the chosen color. Let's have a quick look on how to code this. First, create a button widget using the CTk button class and place it to the main window of your GUI. Then use the command parameter to link the button to a function. Here I name the function choseColor. Next, the function must be defined. In the first step, I create an object from the askColor class that is provided by the CTk Color Picker library. This will open the top-level window with the color picker where you have to choose the color. The color will be set as attribute to the class object. Then you have to use the get method to get the color as a string. In the following step, this color can be used to change the button color by using the configure method. That's it. Now you can press the button which opens the color picker. Choose your desired color and click on OK. As you can see, the button color changes to the chosen color. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more coding content with Python, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.